Hey my people, wahala don finally jam trailer. Wetin dey sup? How una dey? Is your girl Cindy? I don call you another ogbonge news come drop for una. Una know say for dis channel na ogbonge news I dey carry come, undiluted as dem dey cook am. Na so I dey carry come give una. So on today's episode na IYABO Ojo again matter we carry come. Una know say last week Naira Marley sued IYABO Ojo 500 million naira for defamation of character over the fineness of mohbad. Na so Aunty IYABO Ojo come vex, come sue am back, come sue Naira Marley 1 billion naira. I no dey sure say you heard me well. I said a lawsuit of 1 billion naira. Aunty IYABO Ojo said the letter did not come to her properly, say they no serve am the letter, but the letter made it to the social media, so therefore she dey sue am 1 billion naira. Omo, na so wahala come tear rapper, come dey jam trailer on top. No one thing for this social media. Internet just dey catch fire. Who we go side? Na Aunty IYABO Ojo abi na Naira Marley? Hey, na only God go fit help us for this case. Mohbad, my brother, may your soul continue to rest in peace. Amen. My people, na the news with this. I say as I come see am, una know say na proko get why be. As I see am, I say no. My people, I need to see this. Their eyes and ears are hungry to see gist, abi to hear gist. So as I see am, I say let me share to my people. Now the matter be this. I wan talk am again, say in this life, do everything within your power to stay alive. Oh, no allow anybody buy you, cause if you buy like this, na so forget, then go forget you. I give you like 2 months, them go just forget you. If anybody chop taragaya like this, you chapter your own, open your own where. If you talk one, my brother, make sure you talk two. No allow anybody buy you. Now so life be now.